Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. Welcome back. You may remember in our video naming the MT that Murphy's Law really tried to play a number on us just a few weeks ago. First, our computer crashed. Then we lost our race with the bad weather and trying to get the MT on more sturdy ground. And those are only the two things we told you about that went wrong. Well, in the sweet spot between when we ordered the jacks and when all hell broke loose, we actually got to come out here and spend a day taking down the upper cabinets and learning how the MT was built. Now, we really didn't have our groove on yet about making videos, so there's not a whole lot of audio here to speak of. So I'm just going to get Ree to put on some good working music and crank up the pace. Now don't worry, she'll pause at the highlights, like this one.
Where it was there.
See this? This is all rubber gaskets. They put it on every seam inside, and the only purpose I can think of is to prevent it from squeaking and vibrating. It's the way these people built their motorhomes in 1976. Yeah, I think the closet's next. There is no closet.
Only Zool.
And Zool says, subscribe if you haven't already. Help us reach 100 subscribers so we can name our YouTube channel. As of this video, we have 42. Now that may be the answer to life, the universe, and everything else, but it ain't getting us a YouTube channel name. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel page anytime, or just wait until the end of this video and click our logo whenever the words subscribe now show up for the final 20 seconds. As always, like and share this video. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and don't forget to follow the MT and me on Facebook. Now, all this is taking much too long. We need to pick up the pace of the music and the work and get the rest of those cabinets down. Now for the other side. Well, as it turns out, we got a lot done. I mean, we got our overhead cabinets on the back and both sides taken out. We got the back closet taken out. And as you can look around and see, there's a lot more room in here right now. There's no storage left, but there's a lot of room. But hey, coming up next, this has all got to go. Bathroom here and everything's got to go. We got to tear the kitchen out so we can put it back in.
But that's for tomorrow.
That's for, yeah, probably the next several days. It's another day's project, that's for sure. But
Cool.
For getting out here and spending one afternoon for really just a few hours with a pry bar and a screwdriver, I think we got a lot done.
Yeah, I agree.
And that's a look back at what was actually our second day of deconstructing the interior. Next time, we'll get to something a lot more current. I'll give you a sneak peek. Till then, I'm Russ. Ree's behind the camera. We'll talk later. Those don't work.